Good morning, dear students. Myself, Dr. Rajaram, Assistant Professor, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. This is the topic of the molecular recognition. This topic of supramolecular chemistry. Supramolecular chemistry is unit number 5, paper number 7th A, inorganic special, MSc final. Discipline chemistry. Supramolecule having recognition, information, complementarity steps. At first we discussing about molecular recognition. Molecular recognition is defined by the energy and the information involved in the binding and selection of substrate by a given receptor molecule. Molecular recognition is defined by the energy and the information involved in the binding and selection of substrate. Substrate denoted by S by a given receptor molecule. It may also involve a specific function. Mere binding is not recognition, although it is often taken as such. One may say that recognition is binding with purpose, like receptor or ligand with the purpose. It implies a pattern recognition process through a structurally well-defined set of the intermolecular interaction. Binding of sigma to rho forms a complex or supramolecule characterized by its thermodynamic and kinetic stability and selectivity. It means by the amount of the energy and of information brought into operation. Molecular recognition thus implies the molecular storage and supramolecular, molecular and supramolecular. Molecular recognition thus implies the molecular storage and readout of molecular information. These terms have become characteristic of the language of supramolecular chemistry. Although the notion of recognition and information were used in connection with biological system, they effectively pervaded and realm of chemistry only at the beginning of the 1970s. In connection with the generalization of the studies on selective complexation of the metal ion, since then molecular recognition has become a major area of the chemical research and very frequently used them. Information may be stored in the architecture of the receptor, in its binding sites, and in the ligand layer surrounding bound sigma. It is read out at the rate of the formation and the dissociation of the supramolecule in addition to size and shape. A receptor is characterized by the dimensionally, the connectivity and the cyclic order its structural graph. These features have been used to define a ligand structure index LT. That is the ligand structure index, which is shown in figure. We next discussion that conformation, chirality and the dynamics also come into play. The binding sites are characterized by their electronic properties. Which is the electronic properties? Binding sites are characterized by their electronic properties. Like that, charge, polarizability, van der Waals attraction, repulsion, coplarinity, as on. Their size, shape, number and arrangement, the receptor framework, as well as the eventually reactivity that may allow the couple of a complexation with other process. The ligand layer acts through its thickness, its lipo or hydrophilicity, and its overall polarity being exo-endo-lipo-polariphilic. In addition, stability and selectivity depend on the medium and the result from the suitable subtle balance between solution of both rho and sigma. The complexation between solution rho and sigma. Complexation, it means solution of rho and sigma. This is the complexation. Finally, for changed complexation, medium dependent cation anion interaction influence vastly the binding stability and the selectivity. It has already been stressed that information is a key notion of the supramolecular chemistry. In fact, the most fundamental and the general one, the constituents, the common thread running through whole field. Indeed, in this respect, supramolecular chemistry may be considered as a chemical information science or molecule informatics, concerned with the molecular storage and the supramolecular reading and proceeding of the information by the structural and the temporal feature of the molecule and the supramolecule. These characteristics leads to nation the programmed supramolecular system. A more quantitative assessment of the structure interactional feature terms information contents represent a challenging endeavor that may be related the evaluation of the molecular complementarity or similarly. Recognition implies geometrical and the interactional complementarity between the associating partners. Recognition implies geometrical and interactional complementarity between the associating parts, that is optimal information content of the receptor with respect to a given substrate. Recognition step is a association partners, that is optimal information content and a receptor with respect to given substrate. This amounts to a generalized double complementarity principle extending our energetic feature as well as the geometrical ones represented by the lock and key principle. It may be useful the device word complementarity partner, one of the purpose pleromers from the Greek word complement is the part, that is part that complement each other. Complementary interaction site binding subunit molecular fragments or the species could be derived by the bracket notion. This is the bracket. Use the quantum mechanics to describe elements vector belonging to the conjugate space. This is the A and B. Would mean A and B are either complementary site entities. A and B is the complementary entities, pleromers, or the complementary fragment just complementary interaction site. High recognition by the receptor molecule rho consists in a light difference between the binding free energies of a given substrates sigma of the other substrate. It results in the marked deviation from the statistical distribution. In order to achieve large difference in affinity, several factors must be taken into account. These are factors. First is the steric hindrance. Steric hindrance are depend on the size and the shape. We know that steric hindrance are depend on the size and shape of the group. The steric complementarity between the rho and sigma, that is presence of the convex and concave domains in the correct location of sigma and on rho. Interactional complementarity, that is presence of complementary binding sites. Complementary binding sites known as the electrostatic, such as the positive negative, charge dipole, hydrogen bond donor of acceptor, etc. In correct disposition of rho and sigma so as to achieve complementary electronic nuclear distribution like as electrostatics, hydrogen bonding and van der Waals, etc. Large contact area between rho and sigma as so as to contain next factor number 4, multiple interaction sites, since non-covalent interaction are rather weak compared to covalent bond. Number 5, strong overall binding through its stability does in principle not necessarily imply high selectivity. This is usually the case. Indeed, the difference in free energy binding are likely to be larger when the binding is strong. High binding efficiency, that is high fraction of bound with respect to free sigma, require strong interaction. Thus, in order to achieve efficient recognition, that is the both high stability and the high selectivity. In addition, medium effect play in the important role through the interaction of the solvent molecule with rho and sigma as well as with each other. Thus, the two partners should present geometrically matched hydrophobic, hydrophobic, hydrophobic and hydrophobic, and hydrophilic and hydrophilic. This is the solvophobic, hydrophobic and hydrophobic. It means opposition of the hydration, and hydrophilic is the solophobic, soluphilic more generally domains. One may distinguish positive and the negative recognition depending on the whether the discrimination between different substrates by a given receptor is the dominated by attractive, repulsive, steric interaction respectively. Affinity and the recognition may be analyzed along such qualitative or semi-quantitative consideration. These are translated into quantitative force through the interaction parameter and the function employed in the molecular modeling method. The implementation of the molecular recognition requires to search for a quantitative evaluation of the complementary or its inverse molecular similarity, measurement similar rates, and the definition and the construction of molecular shape and potential maps. Fractal analysis may allow to characterization of the surface of the molecule solid material. Such studies are the crucial importance for the design that is spatial receptor molecule presenting high recognition. Enhanced recognition beyond that the provided by the single equilibrium step may be achieved by the proofreading mechanism involving multi-step recognition coupled to the inversible reaction and the non-equilibrium process. Biological molecular recognition present the most complex exceptional expression of the molecular recognition. This is the most complex expression, biological molecular recognition, leading to high selectivity bindings, reaction transport regulation. Biological molecular recognition provide study that cases illustration and the inspiration of the unrelieving of the basic principle and the for the design model system as well as the abiotic receptor. This is the molecular recognition. We discuss about molecular receptor design and principle. Which is the molecular receptor and how is that design? Receptor is the host molecule and a small molecule like as the metal. This is the guest molecule. This is the host and guest most principle of the supramolecular chemistry. This is given by the GM Lane. We study these topics on original book of supramolecular chemistry which is given by the Jean Marie Lane. Publication is the VCH. Now next topic, molecular receptor design and the principle. Molecular receptor are the defined as organic structure held by the covalent bonds that are able to bind selective ionic or the molecular substrate and means of various intermolecular interaction leading to assembly two or more species as supramolecule. The design of the molecular receptor accounts the expressing of the organic molecule of the principle of the molecular recognition. Receptor chemistry, the chemistry of the receptor chemistry, the chemistry of the artificial receptor molecule represents a generalized coordination chemistry not limited to transition metals ion but the extending to all types of the substrate, cationic, anionic, neutral species, organic, inorganic or biological nature. The ideas of the molecular recognition and the receptor chemistry have been penetrating chemistry. penetrating chemistry more and more over last 20 years. Namely, in view, this is the name of the view of their bioorganic complices. In order to achieve high recognition, the factor mentioned above must be taken into account of the design of the receptor. In particular, complementarity depends on a well-defined three-dimensional architecture with the correct arrangement of the binding site. Further, rho and sigma will be in a contact over a large area. If rho is able to wrap around its guest so as to establish numerous non-covalent binding interaction and to sense its molecular size, shape and architecture. This is the case for receptor molecule or the contain intermolecular cavities. Clefts or pockets into which the substrate may fit. In such concave receptor, the cavity is lined with binding sites directed towards the bound species. They are endopolariphilic and convergent and may be termed enderoreceptor. Exeroreceptor bearing extremely oriented binding sites will be considered in next chapter. Macropolycyclic structure are of special interest of the designing artificial receptor. They are also large and may therefore contain cavities of appropriate size and the shape. They possess numerous branches, bridges and the connections that allow the construction of a given architecture endowed with the specific dynamic features. They provide means for the arrangement of the structural group, binding sites, and the reactive function binding of the substrate into the cavity will yield in the inclusion complex, that is the cryptate. In addition to maximizing contact area, emulsion also lead to more or less comparability solvent exclusion from the receptor site, thus minimizing the number of solvent molecule to be displaced by the substrate on binding. The balance between rigidity and the flexibility. The balance between rigidity and the flexibility of a particular importance for the binding and the dynamic properties of rho and sigma rigid. Lock and key type receptor expected to present very efficient recognition, that is the both high stability and the high selectivity. On the other hand, flexibility receptor that bind their substrate by an induced fit process displayed high selectivity but have lower stability since part of the binding energy used up in the change of the conformation of the receptor. Process of the exchange, regulation, cooperative and the allostery require a built-in flexibility so that rho may adapt and respond to changes. Flexibility is the great importance in biological receptor-substrate interaction, where adaptation is the often required for the regulations to occur. The stability and the selectivity of sigma binding result from the set of the interaction site in rho and may be structurally translated into the accumulation and organization, that is the respectively bringing together binding sites and the rearranging that the suitable pattern, both possessing cost energy collections in fact appreciably more than orientation. It is important to note that corresponding intersite repulsion are being built into a polydentate ligand molecular receptor of the extremely varied structural types and been converted into the investigated. Many of them are the macropolycyclic type. Molecular receptors are macropolycyclic type. Macro and polycyclic. This is the large molecule. Their design has been guided by the goal of achieving structure controlling through the planned organization, which is increase with the cyclic order of the structure and the depend on the nature of the fragments that it contains. It is pursuit of such pre-organization that led from acyclic or macrocyclic ligand. These type of the ligands such as the crown ether, this is and spirants and the macropolycyclic cryptands. Crown ether, spirants and cryptands. Monotopic receptor. This is the macromolecular receptor. And now we discuss monotopic receptor. Greek word is the site oblique location. Possess a single receptor unit and bind a single substrate. Monotopic. Single receptor unit and bind a single substrate. Polytopic receptor contain two or more discrete binding subunit. These receptors are also usually mesomolecule, molecules of the size intermediate between the small molecular of organic chemistry and the large ones of the macromolecular chemistry and of biology. Receptor molecule belonging to numerous types of the geometrics can be imagined. A selection of such structural resulting from the combination of the non-cyclic and cyclic element is present. We discuss in the figure. They differ dimensionally, cyclic order and the connectivity and may be characterized by the molecular graph to which they belong by the corresponding index LT. LT is the connectivity plus cyclic order plus dimensionality. The size and shape of the binding cavity that they define and their rigidity or the flexibility are determined by nature of the structural subunit making up the branches of the graphical representation. Their overall shape and the appearance has also led to coining of the number of so-called trivial names and the refers to a particular aspect of the structure. Proposals have been made to define different type of the macrocyclic ligand molecular receptor without being exhaustive. One may mention there is the acyclic podents and macrocyclic crown ether and coronets or torrents. The clethochelates and coordinatoclathrates, the macropolycyclic cryptands and the spirants and spherants, cavitants and carcerants, the caligarian and the cyclophene receptor are the cryptophans, etc. All these creatures of the molecular basaltry have been brought to life as the chemistry of the molecular recognition developed. Such names desire their apparent of the gratuitousness, nevertheless serve real purpose of the quick retrieve in one's memory of the class of the substructure structure that the designate. They serve the same purpose as for the instance cat and dog. Words that immediately bring to mind and accept type of the animal without having detailed their feature conveyed into the information. This is the designs. We discussing in theoretical part some figures. Tell about some figures. These are figures in structure A, B, C, D. A is the macrocyclic. Macro it means large and cyclic it means cycle. Large cyclic molecule, this is the A, and B. B is also cyclic and this is also macro. Both are same condition, but there is two cycle here. So we can say here this is the macro bicyclic. And C is the both macrocyclic connect with a cylindrically, so we can say C diagram is the macro tricyclic and D is the spherical macro tricyclic. spherical macro tricyclic, that is the LT5, 8, 8 and 9 respectively. This is the figure. We shall now discuss several recognition process and describe the main properties of the corresponding molecule receptor. Insofar as receptor molecule have cyclic geometry and contains cavity into which is the substrate may bind, the chemistry of the molecule recognition also covers macrocyclic chemistry and the inclusion chemistry. In view of the intensive literature concerning those domains with reader to refer the specific monographs, reviews of or original paper for the information. You can see these in the appendix of the J.M. Lean book. One may mention here is the acyclic podents, the macrocyclic crown ether, coronants or corants, this is already studied. Next topic we will start next day. You read and learn and prepare your notes. I will send this PDF in your WhatsApp group, so you write up or photocopies as so on as you suitable. This is the original book of the supramolecular chemistry, which is the writer of J.M. Lane, Jane Mary Lane, publication is VCH. Next topic we start next lecture. Thank you.